gas money.
First drop. What's he got? No, it's an AJ.
Is it season?
First grouper? Is it even a grouper?
Yeah.
Oh, baby gag. Oh, it's swimming.
Crank it.
Hold the reel. Just kind of slow him down.
Oh.
That's a giant. That's a beast grouper. Tighten that drag. Get him off the bottom. Is he in the rock yet?
I'm right-handed. You say it real quick. Oh.
Holy. Is that a nerve shark or a giant gag? Oh my god. That can't be a gag. You got a 10-foot nurse shark. I don't know, it's coming up. That's a beast. That's a shark. Bigger grouper. Bunch of little guys. Long ways down. Red. Red grouper. There you go. That's another red grouper. Little red. It's kind of white. Kind of gaggish. Another baby gag. Get the pinfish ready.
Let's keep her there.
Yeah, look at this big mama. Dude, we got big fish.
There's a free line right here.
Yeah, reel in that one. I'm gonna let my shrimp just dangle. That one in front is massive. I'm gonna throw a couple in the water. See if it keeps them here. Rear. Oh, it just broke off. That was on a thread fin. That was a gag. He's on there. Get him up. Get us out of there. That's a cob. That's a cob. He's coming up quick, right?
Yeah.
Yep. You got the baby.
It's tiny. Oh.
That's him.
Let him take it. AJ.
Doesn't feel like an AJ.
I'm running like an AJ.
A nice man. It feels like a small gag, honestly.
Yep.
Oh.
Shit. Got the Cobia there. Reel him up. I set that drag pretty loose. So on strike, it was set loose, so I don't want to force his ass. Don't let him take some drag.
Get that line out of the way. God, I don't know how to use these poles. Why am I fighting them? I think you got the big one, dude. I just hope it's not a shark. Oh, it's an AJ.
That's it. My bad. Sorry.
It's a bigger AJ. No, it's not even that big a one.
Come back here.
Yep. That's a gag. You gotta keep her gag.
All right.
That's a keeper, dude. Nice.
Yeah!
On a free line.
Woo!
Good fish.
Yeah.
Good job, dude.
You gotta get you a picture with him, dude. First
I did not think that was a gag. Are you kidding me? That's a big boy. Grab that net right next to him. We might need to net this one. It's coming up like a... That ain't small. Just net him. It's on a borderline.
They're close.
Woo. That's a giant. He's in the structure. I'm gonna be easy on him. That's a 32-inch fish. I was afraid of breaking. There he goes again.
Oh, he's off. He's off. Grab him.
No, he's in the structure. I'm trying to wait for him to come out, but he's still on there. There he is.
Get him. Got him. Got him. It's not right. Cobia will cut it.
Then this is a 35-incher. It's a 30.
It's a big ass gag, dude.
It's a giant gag.
Take it easy on him. Take it easy on him. Oh yeah.
You sure you want to gaff him?
Fuck yeah, don't you? That's too big.
Yeah.
Woo!
We need some.
That's it right there, Justin.
And that's why I baited him so he didn't break off.
Woo!
That's white, like an AJ.
I don't think so.
It's an AJ.
Yeah, it is. It's bouncing.
Yeah.
Oh,
That felt like a hog.
it looked like it was bouncing like a hog.
That ain't no grunt. That's a big hog. Or is it a gag?
Is it a big hog or a gag?
Grab that net for him.
Toe again.
It's a big hog. Good job. Told ya.
Get that net, get that net. Oh yeah.
Nice. Told ya. That's what I lost on that first drop when I was shaking like that.
You ever see one of those?
The
Pictures.
If that don't get you excited, I don't know what does.
I can see on that.
They're beautiful.
Goofy looking.
Fucking tinky toes taking a beating.
Oh, you get used to it, man. I know my first week.
Oh, that's a big hog. This is even bigger than his. These are huge hogfish. Oh, it's an AJ? What? I don't need the net anymore. I don't feel like a grunt. No, I think it's just a grunt. It just has been on this whole time. Big old grunt.
Yeah.
You want to keep that one?
Yeah.
Hello, grouper. Red. Look at all the fish down there eating the chum. Hello, snapper? The hell did you hook? Is that a fish? Doesn't even look like a fish. Looks like you got a rock. He's got a fish on. Snagged AJ. AJ? Yep. Well, at least there's some excitement. Why are there so many AJs? There's so many AJs.
I wish there was.
In front of my face, dude.
That's a gag. Come on, be a big boy, gag. I think it's a big gag.
See some color?
I think I got a keeper group on my trout rod. Oh, it is a gag.
Get this out of the way. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Oh, don't lose his ass.
On my baby pole. He's only 23. You gotta get a little bit bigger, dude. Oh, that's a bigger one. That's a bigger one. Nothing I can do on that one. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. He's bigger than the one we let go, I think. Yeah, buddy. Oh, God, just don't get eaten. I can feel him get eaten. I feel like something just hit him. No, it's not. It's a 25.
It's gonna be close.
Just like the last one. All right, who's next?
Oh, man.
At least I know it's not the same gag. There you go. I got a grouper bite going. Like whoop ball. AJ. Crazy little guys, huh? They ate a pinfish. That's a vertiper. Crank them out. Little one. You can get out of the rod holder now. I think you beat him. Oh, it's an AJ.
Hit him while he was reeling it in. Probably
No.
AJ.
No head shake. This is a big grunt.
Big hogfish.
Alright, slow down, it's coming up. Hog.
Oh!
You called it. Nice, flip him in.
Oh, man, it's gotta be a keeper.
It is a keeper.
Oh yeah, you gotta get a picture.
He's not very big. I don't need the net.
Little gag.
On the jig.
Empty jig head. That's a down.
Last fish of the day.
Good man.
Red.
Red grouper.